Long day. I want to watch a video right now. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, I can get paid to watch this video? I'm going to get paid. How much?
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to watch videos for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, I'm doing a giveaway once I get to 5,000 subscribers. And all you have to do is look for the code word that pops up in this video. And once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. And when I reach 5,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody in the comments that has that code word, and they're going to win the free money. Now, I'm thinking about doing up to 3 people. If we can get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month, it's the month of November, then 3 people are going to win some free money as long as you type that code word in the comments below in all my videos. All right, guys. One more thing. Please follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to get my followers up to 500 followers. So follow me at AppGrind. I really appreciate it. And go ahead and type hashtag the grind is real on one of my posts, on any of my posts on Instagram, so I know that you came from this channel. All right, guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because if you don't watch it all the way to the very end, you probably won't know exactly what to do to make this money. A lot of people don't watch it all the way, watch my videos all the way to the very end. They say, I didn't make any money. Probably because you didn't watch the whole video. And now you don't know what exactly you need to do. And you probably miss out on a lot of money that you could have made. So please watch this all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at the first site, and the name of the site is Dashcubes. So this is one site of 2 I'm going to show you. So it says here, earn cash online, view websites, complete offers, watch videos, 20,000 payments sent, and you can promote your site on here. Free to sign up. And these are the companies that are associated with this site. PayPal, Super Rewards. So it's some pretty reputable companies that's dealing with this site. So earn some extra cash or advertise your site to 551,066 members. So that's a lot of members they got on here. Here's a video you can watch and learn a little bit more if you would like to. And you can refer friends, so earn up to 15% commission from your referral and their friends. You can view ads, so get paid to view ads, watch videos, and explore the internet, which is probably what you want to do if you just want to watch videos and view ads, and also also watch videos, watch a variety of videos daily in exchange for real cash. And if you don't want to just watch videos, you can do paid surveys. So you can complete online surveys and tasks in exchange for real cash. And if you have a business, you can promote your business on here. And you're going to be getting paid with PayPal. So basically that's it for this website, guys. It's pretty simple and straightforward. As you can see, it does have plenty of other things you can do on here to make money. You don't have to just watch videos. So go ahead and go to u-cube.com to get started with this site. Now let me go ahead and go to the next site. All right, guys, I'm on the next site, and the name of this is Earnably. Now I have talked about this in the past before, but I want to bring this up so you can make even more money from two sites instead of just one site watching videos. So, digital rewards and gift cards made easy. Earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It's that easy. You'll sign up right there. So they have offer walls here, so you can complete offers, get rewards. So we reward our members with instant cash and free gift cards for completing simple tasks, watching videos, and answering surveys. So 5 minutes, you get 23 points. 5 minutes, you get 54 points. So they use points. So it depends on how much points you accumulated, and that'll let you know how much money you're going to make from watching videos and doing all these other tasks. So easy instant rewards. Redeem your points for instant cash, rewards, or gift cards from your favorite brands and retailers. There's something for everyone. Cash payments, gift cards, wallet codes, and many more. So if you don't want just the cash payment, but who don't want the cash payment? But if you don't want to get gift cards, they got that, and they got wallet codes for you. And here are the gift cards right here. You got Amazon, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Facebook, Airbnb, Xbox, Whole Foods. So they got a pretty nice selection here of gift cards. And you can invite your friends and earn more. So share your unique referral link with your friends, family, and followers. You will earn 10% of their earnings for life. That's something else, guys. And this is just some of the people that been using this website here and been getting most of them have just joined today. So people are joining every day on here. Now, let me just go inside my account and just show you how it looks inside this website. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So once you come in here, they have offer walls. So these are the offers you can fill out and complete and get some points. And then if you click right here where it says earn, you can do daily surveys and gain some points and redeem those for money or gift cards. All right, guys, so I went ahead and clicked on videos. So let's go ahead and check out Hideout TV. And here are the videos right here, and here are the categories. So you have food, sweets, music, celebrity, viral, fix it, best life, gaming, adventure, movie buzz, tech talk, laughs, staff faves, and chillax. And here are the videos that you click on. It's plus, you get 7 plus 0.7 points, and they can add up, guys. If you watch all these, all you need to watch for a few minutes, watch the videos, and you accumulate all these points. And here's one, 127.4 points that you'll get on this one. And look at there, you'll have more offers. Right now I don't have that much no more at the moment, but they come every day, guys. And you can accumulate a lot of points, cash that in, and make some good money. let's look at the apps. So they got the apps right here. So you can click on the update your device to access all the offers available to you. Download apps on your mobile phone and tablet. And you can browse on desktop. So right now I got these two apps. All you have to do is download the app, install the game, create an account, and reach level 40 within 30 days. So if you like games, guys, you can go ahead and download this app and make some money. If you want to, so if you just don't want to watch videos and you want to do something else on this site, they have this available for you guys, so you can make money all different type of ways. Okay guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this website. So if you want to go ahead and start making some money and get paid to watch videos for free, go ahead and go to Earnably.com. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 50 likes. That's all I ask, just 50 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about any of these websites. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thank you for tuning in. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Roll to 5,000. Here we come. And don't forget to type that code word that popped up in this video somewhere. And guys, check out my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. Subscribe there. I talk about a lot of other ways to make money online and also give you some tips and strategies about personal development and your personal finance. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Have a good one. Peace.
Get your grind